I would say a win right now. First off, we are one gigantic cohesive unit. We come in every single day and we understand there's a lot of stuff going on, but like I always like Cody instill in us, put your head down, you grind every single day, you get a lot of stuff done. We got a lot of containers and product coming through the door, and one huge thing with the receiving team I'd say specifically is we are getting very creative, but we are making everything work and fit, and I think that's a huge testament to not only Daniel, he's doing a great job every single day, but just me and Mike as well. So that's probably one of the biggest wins, and we're getting a lot of product out the door, so that means money.
I think a win for my team and Clickstop is just the adversity that we have experienced, but then the ability to come together as a team to get things done. So people are willing to step up, do different things, do different roles to make sure that the mission is completed every day. So it's just that camaraderie and that team atmosphere that's being really ingrained and established.
You know, for us, I would say as a ABM team, just this past year, just combining marketing forces with our business development and sales development consultants has created a lot of wins for us. You know, having that marketing team here with the promotional materials, you know, emails, gifts we've been sending out on the top 100 campaigns. We've seen a number of wins this year. We've closed double-digit accounts when it comes to new customer acquisition, which the top 100 stuff is slower moving than some of the other business development stuff we do, just because we're reaching out cold or semi-cold, I would say. It's not somebody maybe we've talked to a lot in the past, but just having that collaboration with marketing and sales get together this year in this ABM team, we've seen a ton of really good results, and it's just been nice to have the team together to work on these campaigns. And I think we've got a really well-oiled machine now about how we go about launching campaigns. And I think we'll continue to take the momentum we've had in 2021 with that and just roll it into next year and continue to you know, close new accounts, build stronger relationships with some of these accounts we've closed this year. But I don't think that would have been possible if we wouldn't have had this focus of combining the teams and having, you know, laser focus on the campaigns and the support side from marketing. So, you know, having this team has been a huge win for me. I've really enjoyed working with them, getting to, you know, learn about how they go about doing things and how we do things on the sales side. And I think we're all better for it. And I think it just continues to, you know, put us in a position to create some really strong results going into the end of 2021 and starting into 2022.
I would say a really big win the Clean Laundry team had was the Hipsch equipment. We kind of, Sarah Alden used the analogy that we changed the wheels on the bus as the bus was moving. I thought that was really kind of cool to see the team really come together. A lot of us had to learn things really quickly, and we opened up 2 stores with the Hipsch machines, and it went really well to the customer. On the back end, we had a lot of learning and kind of communication that needed to happen. But I think that it really helped the Clean Laundry team understand like how important communication and our open, like working together, because it was going to be customer facing. So it was awesome to be part of and to see just how all of us kind of were all hands on deck. Let's learn this, let's implement it, and open the store with it. So.
Well, and I know I've been up in Pepper Joe's for a while now, but I know we're transitioning a lot of stuff down to the greenhouse, which is great. So obviously we're hoping to be in there sooner, but I think that's really good that the team's been able to move stuff down there and get everything kind of put together. So but yeah, and it's nice to see other people back in the office that haven't seen in like a year, so that's been pretty cool.
We just got 2 more large orders that are very similar, so we got commitments that are going to be months long. A big win for the manufacturing and sales team and Clickstop as a whole.
That we seem to be able to overcome just about anything that's thrown at our way. We get along well and we work well together, and we can make sure it happens.
Well, we have opened 2 Clean Laundry stores here recently, and the stores are really doing well. You know, we have new equipment with touch screens, and the customers really love it. I was at the independent store opening, And it was really great to hear feedback of customers just wowing when they walk in the store, and they couldn't believe that a laundromat could have this much technology, and they love the machines. So I'm really excited that we've switched our equipment to this Hipsha equipment. I think it's going to do great for customer experience, and store location has been really good. We've seen some great performance out of the last 2 stores with some of the new processes that we implemented about 6 months ago or so with site selection. So it's just, we're seeing some really great momentum, and I'm excited for getting into 2022.
Crazy amounts of product coming in and going out. It's been kind of a roller coaster, but really good to see, and excited to see what kind of opportunities we can capture with the amount of product we have, and just excited for what's to come.
We are getting so much out right now with Jamie Noe being our leader. She is such an awesome person. Clickstop is so awesome to work here. They're so flexible with everybody's schedules, and it's just a win-win for all of us here.
Yeah, so we recently moved into the SDC role for Fasteners Plus for September and October. We've already exceeded the goals for the first couple months in that new role. We've ran 2 campaigns so far, really having fun with those. There's some nice wins. We'll continue to work on new and existing relationships. Marketing is helping with swag for Fasteners Plus and helping us get a line card created for emails. And kudos to all of marketing for the help on that project. And then here soon, I am close to winning a quote for 100,000 Conquest deck screws for a manufacturing company down in Georgia. They use these for outdoor furniture. They're looking to order every 8 to 10 weeks. So kudos to purchasing for the help on this. So we got to get everything in line, make sure we can handle that type of volume. So then working on distributor pricing, setting up our first customer at the Conquest distributor. So that's where we're working on the inventory on that side too, just to make sure that we can take on that type of volume. So really having fun working with Durf and John specifically, and then with all of the ABM team. So there's a lot of great support there, and I do think sky's the limit for this role.
I would say just all in all, our team is doing pretty good. We're doing more pallets than we usually do at this time of year, and we're able to keep up. Things are going out the door every day, so that's pretty big. Just getting the customers what they want when you need it. Not a lot of, I feel like our communication skills between sales has gotten a lot better. It's made our process a lot easier to go through.
Well, I know manufacturing's super busy. We're a little short-staffed, but everybody is very willing to move wherever they need to go to help out, and we're really good at working as a team.
So in Fasteners Plus world, we are adding a lot of new vendors and a lot of new products, so super exciting there. We just added decorators, which is a vendor that has all decking supplies, and then we are adding Syntec diamond tools for cutting and drilling, and so a lot of new stuff coming up, which is really exciting.
Some of the best things happening for Fasteners Plus are we're expanding our employee base, if you will. So we just brought on Lance. He's going to be working on developing third-party sales. He's already working to get Conquest approved as a brand on Amazon. So we're legit, which will be awesome. And that's just a marketing channel we have not even started to get into yet. So I look forward to some amazing results there, because so far Lance is just killing it. We've got Derek over in the new SDC role, and he is also doing really well. So kudos to him for already beating his goals, and that is just going awesome. And then we're also looking forward to planning all of the new projects that are coming along next year. It's going to be a lot more stuff stocked in the warehouse, a lot better profit margins, and Elena and Q look forward to the challenge, and they've been doing a great job all year so far working on our current projects. And next year, I just really look forward to them stepping it up and hitting a home run out of the park.
I think we're getting some young guys into the leadership roles, so to speak, and that's been kind of fun for me working with them. They help keep me young too.
With Clickstop and the sales and service team, we are actively hiring, so it's been really great to get some new blood in, and had great questions with the people that are coming through training, and they're hitting the ground with a lot of knowledge under their belt and asking lots of great questions and just digging in and getting right to it.
Our web revenue, we have exceeded budget every month this year. We feel a lot of that has to do with our Shopify change. So when we moved our website from NetSuite SuiteCommerce Advanced to Shopify in March, we've seen a really good increase to our KPIs. So as of September, we're up about 30% above budget for our web revenue, and yeah, just very exciting. And we also just hired a new team member, Cassie. She started this week, so we're excited to get her started. Also very excited that pricing changes with our vendors are slowing down, which means that we have less time to spend on the maintenance of our products and making sure we're priced accordingly, and adjusting our prices on the website so we're protecting our margins and also being competitive in the marketplace. So then we can start working on more proactive marketing, new categories of products. We're going to be launching plasma slings in Q4. So really excited for the end of this year and for 2022 to be focused more on proactive marketing and less reactive marketing, knowing that our price changes are slowing down with our vendors. You know, it's ESOP month. It's exciting to get our statements and just to see what all the hard work of all departments are doing to our ESOP valuation. And it just, really shows that it takes all of us working together, and we're all working towards the common goal of driving more value to the company, because in turn, we will, see that in our ESOP valuation. So that's just something I'm really excited about right now. And no one's job is more important than the other. It really takes everyone engaged and, being impactful in their role to really create this whole unity of shipping, sending, getting orders. It's everyone's, it's everyone working together, and it's the unification of it all.